Do you know anything about safe mode in your mobile phones? Yes, it is a great thing. It helps you in many things, and keep in mind that what it gives you, what options you will get in safe mode, and how it helps you. Today we gonna let you know in this video. Before I will let you know that how you can turn the safe mode on your mobile phone and laptop too. Sorry, on your mobile phone. Go to the switch, turn long press on power button, and after that press on power, and after that a long press on your power button, and until it's get into the safe mode, and it will ask you restart for safe mode. Click OK, and it will get into the safe mode. Now you get into the safe mode. What will happen if you get into the safe mode? Your only default apps will work, that calling, SMS, and Android and camera or anything like this. Now if you want to turn off your because it's a very simple phone right now, if you want to turn off your safe mode, just restart your phone and it will get into the fully functional all the apps option over there. So that was the safe mode, how we can turn it on. But why it's required? Many time it happens with us that we feel that phone is slow, phone is restarting again and again, and then you feeling that your phone I think phone has been hacked by some app or someone. So you should get into the safe mode. If you feel that there is any app is disturbing your phone's system, then you can turn on safe mode, and you will know that it's with the problem with the phone's hardware or any software is disturbing over there. So these are the requirements, and these the condition in which you required safe mode for a while. And if you have a battery is very low, then keep in mind that you can turn on safe mode, so that it uses less battery and less notifications on your phone. Like, share, subscribe, and hit bell icon for get more videos like this.